Hi, I'm Kimberly Shapcott, qualified chartered accountant, property investor and entrepreneur, plus director at Believe Property Limited. Let me share with you our project today. Welcome back to the house, and as you can see, it's looking a little bit different. It's all plastered, so it's now starting to really come together, which is amazing to actually be able to say that. Now here you can see that it is starting to all come together, and into bedroom 1 we can see the ensuite is plastered, the bedroom's plastered, we've got the fireplace that is going to be reinstalled on the fire, and it's really all starting to come together. Now into the ensuite we've got some of the electrical bits coming through for lighting to go in. We've got a soil stack that we're going to need to box in, and we've got the holes and pipes and things in the ensuite as well, which is where our shower tray is going to be going in on this side, and on the other side we're going to have the sink and the toilet facilities. So moving back out of room 1, let's head in to room 2. And again, as we can see, the ensuite is all plastered, and we've also got the rest of the room all plastered. So yes, it is really starting to come together in this area as well. They've got the drainage plans, so they're working on the drainage out in the garden at this point in time to bring all the plumbing works together. So it's a little bit of a mess out there at the moment as they're looking at where they're digging up holes and moving appropriate pipe work to. So this is the ensuite in room 2, where we'll again be having another shower room, and that will be coming together nicely as we get some light in this area shortly. So moving our way back out and back through to the kitchen, where we'll be able to see what is happening through to the extension area of the building. So here, this will be our dining space, and it's looking really lovely. It's going to be a great space. There's quite a lot of space to it, and as we've had it plastered now, we can really start to see how these spaces are going to be able to be used. And looking back, we've got a great archway, and to move from the kitchen through to the dining space is going to be really lovely as everything comes together. We've got some tiles there for the extension to get that finished off, for all the different areas to get finished off, and a back door, and then through to our lovely plastered room 3. Obviously all the wires sticking through the walls and all the pipes coming through, ready for all the plastering, first, second, completing fixes to get everything done. Now we've jumped all the way to the top floor now, and on this top floor you can see all the plastering has also been done up here. So this is where the kitchenette's going to be for the Studio 7, and some great views, as you can see, out over towards the park, and the roof is on the extension outside, as that is pretty much been done as well. Looking back across, we can now see the dining space as well, and this again is going to be a lovely space as we get everything finished off in this area of the property. And over there is our bedroom space. We've got water connections on the wall there for the TV, and we have got a nice light filter through the window, and then the ensuite here to give a shower, and the rest of the facilities as would be included in any ensuite. One of the nice things we put into most of our ensuites has been a little nook, so you've got space for your showers, cute shower things. This one is going to be a space for the washer dryer in this room, so this is literally a fully self-contained unit at the top, or studio for students. So they will be able to use the other facilities in the house, but they have got everything that they need in this space. This is the eave storage, as we've said in previous video, and it's really a nice area for storage for the tenant in this space. It's actually a very big space as it goes from one end of the house to the other end of the house. And that finishes up our tour of the plastering today. Check out our other HMO videos about how this project has gone and what has been happening. Let me know your experiences of HMO conversions, and please do leave any questions you may have. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos on this project and also on property, accountancy and tax topics. Let's make tax less taxing and enjoy your property investing adventures.